Department of Registration and Stamps welcomes you all. In this video, we will see insights of newly announced scheme by department named as Abhay Yojana 2022. This scheme is applicable to the individuals who have received the notice regarding penalty for payable stamp duty before 31st March 2022. The period of filing application for reduction in penalty on the deficient portion of stamp duty is 8 months, commenced from 1st April 2022 and ending on 30th November 2022. As per this scheme, penalty is reduced to 10% term of total penalty on the deficient portion of the stamp duty for the period commencing from 1st April 2022 and ending on 31st July 2022, and 50% term for the total penalty on the deficient portion of the stamp duty for the period commencing from 1st August 2022 and ending on 30th November 2022. The application form for Abhay Yojana is available on website of the department www.igrmaharashtra.gov.in. You will get this link from description box. We will reach to this page, then scroll down, and in the online services section, we see the tab for Abhay Yojana. Click on this tab, we will reach to the login page of Abhay Yojana. Here, for new users, we need to click on this new registration link. We see the registration form. We need to select the user category and entity. Then click on the basic details tab. Here, select gender and salutation from the drop down. Then enter your first, middle and last name in the respective fields. State Maharashtra is auto-selected. Select district, taluka, city or village from the respective drop downs. Enter flat, door or house number. Then enter street or locality, road name and building name. Then enter the block sector name, address and pin code. Now we move to the ID details. Enter the username and password for the particular username. Then confirm the password. Enter your email and mobile number and click on the submit button. Now we have successfully created the user account and we are redirected to the login page. Here we enter our username and password and then this CAPTCHA code and click on the login button. Here we have reached on Abhay Yojana homepage. We can see the dashboard, application, reports option here. To fill the application form for Abhay Yojana, we click on the application button here and then click on this new application button. Here we start filing the required information asked in the form A. Here we enter our basic details. Enter full name, mobile number. Select ID type from Aadhaar card, PAN card or passport. Then enter the ID proof number. Mention your email address here. Then select district, taluka and village from the respective drop-downs. And then enter your detailed address. Here in the bank details, enter the name of the bank and IFSC code of your bank branch and then enter the account number. Then in the other details section, select the collector of a stamp and joint district register office from the drop-down. And next, select the office address. Then enter the document registration number, case number. Then select the date of notice from calendar. Here enter the details of earlier notice and then enter the notice number. Here enter the amount of stamp duty and amount of penalty. And then click on the save button. Our data is saved and we move to the form B. In form B, here we enter the type of document. Select date of execution from calendar and enter consideration amount. Now in property details, we enter unit or flat number, building name and location in the respective field. Then we select district, taluka, village from respective drop-downs. Then here we mention any of survey number, CS number, CTS number, plot number or GUT number. Now in the area of property section, select property type, that is constructed or non-constructed. If we select constructed property, then in type of properties select from row house, bungalow, duplex, shop, terrace, office shop, mall shop, first floor shop, ground floor shop. And if we select non-constructed property, then select type of property from agriculture, non-agriculture or urban. And then select subtype of a property from authorized, unauthorized, open ground, industrial, no development area, developing and develop. Then enter parking area, carpet area, build-up area, and remember that unit of a measurement for these three fields is square feet. Now in this next field, we select type of construction from the drop-down, that is RCC, कच्चे बांधकाम, पक्के बांधकाम, अर्धे कच्चे अर्धे पक्के बांधकाम. Then select year of construction and mention number of floors. Then we need to mention amount of stamp duty already paid, if any, on the document. Then select date of stamping from the calendar. Now here enter the name of authorized person, then mention mobile number and email ID in the respective field and click on the save button, and our data is now saved. Now here we see the application list and we can see our application here. If you want to edit the form, then click on the edit button and you can modify your form. To download the form, click on the view button. Here we can see our form of application. Check if all the information is correctly mentioned and then click on this download PDF now button. In the last step, we need to take print of this form of application and submit it to the respective JDR, Collector of Stamp Office. For more information, visit department's website www.igrmaharashtra.gov.in or call this Sati helpline number 8800007777. For more update, follow us on Facebook. Link is mentioned in the description box. Thank you.